In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Trello. First, open your web browser and head to Trello.com. Type it directly into the address bar to make sure you're on the official site. The page will load with a clean dashboard preview, and in the top right corner, you'll see the login button. Click Login. This takes you to Atlassian's sign-in page, which Trello uses for authentication. Here you have two simple paths. If you prefer using an email, click into the email field and enter the address that's associated with your Trello or Atlassian account. Take a second to check for typos, especially if your browser autofills. A small mistake can send you to the wrong account or show an error. When you're ready, click Continue. From here, just follow the on-screen prompts to finish signing in. If your browser has an active session, you might be signed in automatically and taken straight to your boards. If you'd rather not type an email, you can sign in using a provider. Right below the email field, you'll see options for Google, Microsoft, Apple, and Slack. In this tutorial, we'll choose Google. Click the Google button, and a window or a new tab will open. Select the Google account you want to use. If you see multiple accounts, pick the one that's linked to your Trello workspace. If prompted, confirm your password or approve the sign-in as you normally do with Google. After that, you'll be redirected back to Trello and your boards and workspaces should appear. A few quick tips as you go. If the login button is not visible on a smaller screen, open the site menu to find it. If Trello keeps asking you to sign in again, try refreshing the page or open a private browsing window and repeat the same steps. And if your organization requires single sign-on, be sure to choose your company account rather than a personal one so you land in the right workspace. That's it. Go to Trello.com, click Login, either enter your email and continue, or pick a provider like Google, choose your account and you're in. Pause the video at any point if you want to follow along in real time. Thanks for watching and enjoy organizing your projects with Trello.